Good morning, everybody. Hey, my name is Dr. David Hadden, and I'm a chiropractor here at O'Fallon Crossing Chiropractic. Going live this morning, and really excited because we've got a nice sunny spring morning outside. I think the warm weather's here to stay, so let's hope for that. I wanted to come on this morning and just answer a question that I hear a lot in my practice, and sometimes people will just kind of come up to me and ask me. And the question is, do chiropractic adjustments hurt? It's a very good question. And the answer is, if adjustments are done properly by a trained professional, then the answer is no. Chiropractic adjustments, they don't hurt. Now, there's a difference between hurting and soreness. So sometimes some people will get some soreness after an adjustment. And let's think about why that is, right? After an adjustment, you're moving your bones and joints differently than you have before. You're using your muscles differently than you have before. That's going to create some soreness. Just like a good analogy is if you were to go to the gym, right? If you haven't been to the gym for a while and you get a good workout in, you're going to get some sore muscles. That's very normal. It's the same kind of thing, okay? And just kind of tell you about a patient I had in my practice last week. A guy came in and had some lower back pain, and we did his first adjustment, and he felt really good. He actually jumped up off the table and said, "Hey, I feel a lot better." But I still had to warn him, "Hey, I know you're feeling a lot better right now, but you're going to be using your muscles and bones differently, so you might get some soreness later on tonight." And he came back the next day and said, "Dr. Hadden, you were right. I felt good right after the adjustment, but I did get sore last night." And so we always instruct patients, when you do get that soreness, use an ice pack on it to help calm down the inflammation. So like I said before, if a chiropractic adjustment is done properly by a trained professional, it shouldn't hurt. It might give you some soreness, but it shouldn't hurt. Definitely, please do not have someone who's not a trained professional do your chiropractic adjustment. Then it really might cause some serious pain. And I have had some new patients come in and say, "Gosh, I was hurting. I let my wife pop my back, and now it's worse than it was before." Definitely not a good idea. So that's what I wanted to come on and share with you this morning. I hope it was of some value to you. If you did find some value in it, please like this video. And if you know someone else who might benefit from it, please share this information with them. And as always, you can check us out on our website at OFalloncrossingchiropractic.com. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day.